was a sight for my soul.
Hello my dears and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Pamela. Today's day 4 of my One Palette for a Week series. In case you missed days 1 through 3, they'll always be linked down below in the description box. But if you're not curious or interested, just know we are working with the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm still having lots and lots of fun with this palette, and I don't want to babble. And I feel like today's look is probably my second favorite one so far. Yesterday's look was just like so beautiful. Like, I loved using those red tones, but today I felt like going a little bit more on the purple and tried to come up with something that's a little bit on the cool tone side, and I think it was somewhat successful. You know, at first glance everybody could tell that this palette is very, very much warm tone because that's what Jaclyn Hill likes, and this is her palette. I also wanted to incorporate the shade Royalty, which is this gorgeous purple right here, just on the lower lash line. Like, I wanted that to be like the pop of this like look or whatever, and you know, using a pop of color on the lower lash line is so trendy all the time that I just had to jump on the bandwagon and do the same thing. I also want to say that I wish I had a purple eyeliner to put into the waterline, because I think that would have just been like cherry on the top for this look. So if you have a purple eyeliner and wish to copy this look, like, do that instead of the black liner that I put. I don't have any more babbling to do, so let's just get right into this. Yes!
She walks in fury into the night. Her blameless fires burn the sky, and all that's best of her, and all that's bright, fade from her aspect and her eyes. The darkest shades down the rays have gone, impair the nameless grace of you, and thoughts of shame that you gaze upon, 'cause no one sees what you do. Upon, 'cause no one sees what you do.
guys today. So hopefully you enjoyed day 4 of my one palette for a week series. I really like today's look. Like, I know that yesterday was my favorite, but this one comes as a close second because it was very easy to create. It wasn't something that I had to like think too much of. And then that pop of color on the lower lash line. If you're curious, on my lips I am wearing the e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss in the shade Mocha Twist. Love this color, so beautiful on the lips. So yeah. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and spread my love for makeup, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye!